that, man? Is that a trout stream or what, huh? There's fishermen all around. See the shit's jumping, man. Something just jumped. See? Look at that. Out in nature's beauty. Hey, Ann, you having fun? She don't know too much about fishing, I'm finding out. I got a rod here. That's my rod holder in the ground. That's with a piece of worm that's on the bottom. My friend made these for me years ago. Custom made. Kiloh Smith. Look at that. It's a piece of PVC pipe. Screwed in. He was dying. My friend Billy was dying of colon cancer when he made these for me. He said, "Think of me when you fish with these, Kiloh. Think of your old friend Billy." And I do every time. Let's go over and talk to Ann. This should be good, okay? She's having an adventure. Look at that. You having fun, honey?
I'm having a problem.
What's the matter? Oh, you got it hooked on the grass? How'd that happen?
Look at it, hold it.
It went right for your finger.
It'll turn this little...
Turn and bite, these things, man.
Oh, I does not like this little shit you brought here. This little
Here,
thing.
can I fix that for you?
Nope, that's okay.
She don't want my help. A man with 5 fishing poles and 3 tackle boxes don't want his help. Okay.
What, you want to fix this here?
Yeah, I was going to fix it.
All I got to do is twist it around.
No, here.
You twist
Here, can you hold this and film that for me? Here, hold that.
Where?
What you do is, here.
He's helping me control the pole. If I can't get the hang of it, somehow I throw it in the water and I get it up in all these weeds and stuff. So I need help.
There.
Thank you, Kiloh.
Okay. That's a first. Go away, she says. The sky's blue, man. Look at this, out in the mountain meadow. I don't know if you can see, but there's people that we give each other space, you know? But there's all kinds of people fishing out here. Try my hand with a spinner. I'm fishing on the bottom. When that tip starts jumping, I know something's biting. I got it. I got that rod holder. Ain't using no fork stick. That beautiful rod holder. When that tip starts going like that, you know you got something. Now what else I'm going to do is I got an ultralight. I'm going to throw a spinner out there, a little MEPS. You see that? That thing spins around when you reel it back. The trout think it's something good to eat, and then they bite it. So I'll let you know if anything exciting happens. I'm going to sign off.